How to log out Lazada account. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to log out your Lazada account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Lazada on Google Play Store and App Store, or you can visit their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to log out your Lazada account, it's pretty much basic. Just go to your account right here on the bottom right corner and just click the settings icon right here on the top right corner, and yeah, you're pretty much done. So right there you will see lag out button, the big lag out button. You can just click that and click lag out. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use it. And if you want to log in again, a big log in buttons will appear rightly on the top, and you can just use it and log in your account again. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can log in or log out your account on Lazada. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.